Smartphones today aren't just phones, they are our wallets, memories, and identities. So imagine losing it all because someone stole your phone. The cost isn't just the device, it's your privacy, your photos, your accounts, and everything. Meet CrookCatcher, an Android app that's been protecting users for over 10 years, helping countless people recover lost or stolen phones. Here's how it works. If someone tries to unlock your phone with the wrong PIN or pattern, CrookCatcher secretly snaps a photo of them, captures the GPS location, and instantly emails it all to you. You will literally see who's holding your phone and where. Upgrade to CrookCatcher Pro and you get powerful extras that make identifying a thief much easier, like video recording including audio, rear camera support for more evidence, disguised app icon which hides the app so the thief doesn't know that CrookCatcher is on your phone. Plus these game-changing security moves. A custom alarm that blasts at full volume the moment a wrong PIN is entered. It draws attention and scares off thieves. A fake home screen that fools the thief into thinking that the phone is unlocked. When they start tapping the screen, CrookCatcher silently takes more photos and records evidence. Even if you don't live in a high-theft area, protecting a device that holds your life is a no-brainer. Go ahead and download CrookCatcher today. All the essentials are free, and the Pro upgrade makes identifying the thief even easier.